Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the details of the latest and greatest tools on the market. Today, we're highlighting what many consider the best Cup Burr available today. The Luo K 1.8mm round Cup Burr with a 3/32 shank. Whether you're a seasoned jeweler, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates precision in their craft, this tool might be exactly what you need. Now, let's talk about what makes this burr stand out. First off, it's crafted from premium vanadium steel. This material is known for its durability and long-lasting sharpness, ensuring that you get precise results every time you use it. No more dull bits slowing down your progress or compromising your projects. The Luo K Cup Burr is perfect for wire rounding, jewelry making, and a variety of other applications. It comes with a double-ended design, which is a game-changer. The package includes a hand drill equipped with two collet sizes, 2.3mm and 1.0mm. This versatility allows you to tackle different tasks without needing to switch out your tools constantly. What I particularly appreciate about this tool is its ease of use. The 3/32 shank fits comfortably into standard hand drills, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of their experience level. Simply insert the burr, secure it, and you're ready to go. Let's talk applications. If you're working on intricate jewelry pieces, this Cup Burr allows for smooth, rounded edges on metal wires, giving your creations a professional finish. Additionally, it's excellent for anyone involved in model making or small-scale metalwork. The precision it provides can make a world of difference in your finished product. In terms of performance, the Luo K Cup Burr delivers consistently high-quality results. Its design minimizes the risk of slipping or jumping during use, which is crucial for those fine details. Plus, because it's made from vanadium steel, you can expect it to maintain its edge longer than many of its competitors. To sum it up, the Luo K 1.8mm round Cup Burr is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their tool collection. With its robust construction, versatile design, and user-friendly features, it truly stands out in the market. So, whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this burr could be the perfect addition to your toolkit. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to grab yours today. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques.